Colors of the morning, brushing all the gray away. There were nights I walked through silence, shadows dancing on the wall. But I found a light inside me, and I won't let it fall. I have kissed the hands of sorrow, but I never let it stay. Every tear became a river that has carved a kinder way. I will write a song I'm singing with a voice that's truly mine. And no matter what may happen, I will rise each time. I will go on, I will survive like the flowers reaching for the sky, making beauty out of all I've known. Even broken dreams have grown. I will go on, I will be strong in my own rhythm, my own song. This is my life, I'll make it bright with every step into the light. Something gentle out of every scar I've worn, with the strength of quiet mornings and the grace of being torn. There is hope beneath the silence, there is peace in life.